Hey everyone, welcome back to English Glow Up, the place where you learn real English for real life.
That's right. I'm Jake.
And I'm Amy.
Today, we have a very fun and easy English conversation practice for beginners.
We're going to talk about daily life in English.
Yes, we'll talk about morning routines, work, school, food, hobbies, free time, evening routines, and simple everyday conversations.
So if you want to speak English more naturally and confidently, this episode is perfect for you.
And remember, don't worry about being perfect.
Just listen, repeat, and practice with us.
All right, let's get started.
Jake, what time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 7 a.m.
Really? That's early.
Yeah, I like mornings.
I'm not a morning person.
Oh no.
I usually wake up at 8 or 8:30.
Do you use an alarm?
Yes, but sometimes I hit the snooze button.
Me too.
What's the first thing you do in the morning?
First, I drink water.
That's healthy.
Then I brush my teeth, wash my face, and make coffee.
Coffee is very important.
Absolutely.
I usually check my phone first.
A lot of people do that.
I look at messages, emails, and social media.
Then what?
Then I make breakfast.
What do you usually eat?
Usually eggs and toast.
Nice.
What about you?
I usually eat oatmeal or fruit.
Healthy Jake.
I try.
Do you exercise in the morning?
Sometimes, I go for a walk or do a short workout.
I want to exercise more.
Small steps.
That's true. Let's practice some useful morning routine vocabulary.
Repeat after us.
Wake up.
Brush my teeth.
Take a shower.
Get dressed.
Make breakfast.
Drink coffee.
Go to work.
Go to school.
Nice job!
Amy, do you work from home?
Sometimes.
Do you like it?
Yes, because I don't have to drive.
Traffic can be terrible.
Especially in the morning.
How long does it take you to get ready?
Maybe 45 minutes?
That's fast.
Really?
Yeah, it takes me 1 hour.
What takes so long?
Honestly, I move very slowly in the morning.
That's funny.
I also spend too much time choosing clothes.
I do that too.
Do you pack lunch?
Sometimes.
What do you usually bring?
A sandwich, fruit, and maybe chips.
Simple and good.
Do you buy lunch or bring lunch?
Usually, I buy lunch.
What's your favorite lunch?
Probably chicken and rice.
Classic.
What about students?
Students can practice saying,
I go to school at 8 a.m.
I take the bus.
I study English.
I have class in the morning.
Very useful beginner English.
Let's do some speaking practice.
Repeat after us.
I wake up at 7.
I make coffee every morning.
I go to work by car.
I study English every day.
I eat breakfast at home.
I take the bus to school.
Excellent.
Amy, what do you like about your job?
I like talking to people.
That's nice.
And I like helping students learn English.
Me too.
Do you work better in the morning or at night?
Definitely in the morning.
I'm more productive in the afternoon.
What's your typical workday like?
I answer emails, have meetings, and work on projects.
Busy day.
Very busy.
Do you like meetings?
Sometimes.
That means no.
Exactly.
What time do you finish work?
Usually around 5 p.m.
That's a good schedule.
What about you?
I usually finish around 6.
Do you work weekends?
Sometimes, but not every weekend.
It's important to rest.
Definitely.
Here are some useful work phrases.
Repeat after us.
I start work at 9.
I work with a team.
I answer emails.
I have a meeting.
I finish work at 5.
I'm busy today.
Great job! Jake, what do you usually do after work?
Usually, I go home and relax.
Same.
Sometimes I watch TV.
What shows do you like?
I like comedy shows.
Me too.
Do you cook dinner?
Sometimes.
Are you a good cook?
Not really.
What's your best dish?
Pasta?
That's everyone's best dish.
True.
I like cooking tacos.
Nice.
Do you eat dinner early or late?
Usually around 7.
I eat around 8.
After dinner, what do you do?
I usually read or watch YouTube.
Same.
Do you study English every day?
Yes, and our viewers should too.
Even 15 minutes helps.
Exactly. Let's do a simple role play.
I'll start. Hey Amy, how was your day?
Pretty good. I was busy at work.
What did you do today?
I had meetings and answered emails.
Sounds busy.
Yeah, I'm tired now.
Do you want to watch a movie tonight?
Sure, that sounds fun.
Awesome.
Now you can practice that conversation too.
Amy, what do you do in your free time?
I like reading books and listening to music.
Nice.
What about you?
I like playing video games and going to the gym.
Do you play games every day?
Not every day.
What kind of music do you like?
I like pop and rock music.
I listen to pop music too.
Do you like sports?
Yes, but I'm not very athletic.
Same.
I like walking more than running.
Walking counts.
Absolutely.
Do you spend a lot of time online?
Probably too much.
Same here.
What's your favorite hobby for relaxing?
Watching movies.
That's a good one. Repeat after us.
I like reading books.
I listen to music every day.
I play sports on weekends.
I watch movies at night.
I go to the gym.
I spend time with friends.
Excellent work.
Jake, do you like shopping?
Not really.
Why not?
It's tiring.
I actually like grocery shopping.
Really?
Yeah, I like looking at snacks.
That makes sense.
How often do you go grocery shopping?
Usually once a week.
Same.
Do you make a shopping list?
Sometimes.
I always forget something.
Me too.
What errands do you usually do during the week?
I go to the bank, buy groceries, and clean the house.
Cleaning is the worst.
Especially laundry.
I never want to fold clothes.
Nobody does.
Amy, what do you usually do on weekends?
I like sleeping late.
That sounds amazing.
Then I usually meet friends or spend time with family.
Nice.
What about you?
I like relaxing at home.
Introvert life.
Exactly.
Do you go out often?
Sometimes.
What do you like to do?
Go to restaurants, watch movies, or walk around the city.
That sounds fun.
Do you like busy weekends or quiet weekends?
Quiet weekends.
Same.
Sometimes staying home is the best.
Especially after a long week.
Now let's do a listening practice.
Listen carefully.
Hi, my name is Sarah. I wake up at 7 every morning. I make coffee and eat breakfast before work. After work, I go home and cook dinner. In the evening, I watch TV and study English.
Now let's answer some questions.
What time does Sarah wake up?
What does she drink?
What does she do after work?
What does she study?
Great listening practice! Thank you so much for listening to today's English conversation practice.
We hope this episode helped you learn useful English for daily life.
Remember, the best way to improve your English is to practice consistently.
A little practice every day makes a big difference.
If you enjoyed this podcast, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.
And share this video with a friend who is learning English.
We'll see you in the next lesson here on English Glow Up.
Bye, everyone.
Bye!